Hello and welcome to my stream. So here we are trying to refactor a bit all this code and trying to understand a bit better. Um, okay, so this is a tuple, and let's see what is the definition for it. Yes, so basically we group values together. Custom. Okay. So before I thought we used the tuple to avoid the use of methods, but apparently is to avoid the class because otherwise you need to create a, for example, if you had a class, let's say whatever, and you had a string, for example, and this bit would have been like a picky get. Nowadays I can do this. Whatever, I cannot type sometimes, we would have this, and then one more for the bin ID, and then we would have to call it here, or we could have a method, yeah, and we could have the class there and specify those information there. Basically, that's what it is. What else does it say? Returning multiple values from a method without using out parameters, define a custom class, grouping related data temporarily without creating a class or struct. Readable inconvenience, you don't have to define it. Yeah, of course. I'm just curious in this bit here. Name John, string and int. So basically it does it automatically. But if I didn't have the var, I'm just curious if it was going to work. But everything is used with the var. So this is how you use it in a method, alright, and how you call it, okay, of course. I think there is also like a way, like that if you have this, okay, let's have a, because I cannot do specific stuff, that's why. So let's say I had this. I think it get person. Now in here just define this, and then return this. So basically here we're just calling it straight ahead. Yeah, okay, I understand now what I wanted to understand. Anyway, so here is we check if if this or this one, which is given from this method, have something. So if they are actually it checks the opposite, sorry, my bad. So here it check if it doesn't have anything, this or that, and then we are going here, and this bit is let me show you. My days is this bit here. So basically, hypothetically, let's say it's the first time we open our application. We are not going to go on this page, but rather we are going to go here. Okay. This, I left it like this because hypothetically, let's say maybe your the website from Jane. So if for some reason I restrict your access, you can create another account and come here and reapply the API key or the bin ID. I mean, of course, if you're in the JSON website, it's very important that you once in a while, let me show you, which is common sense. This is not even to think about. But 1 second, because I need to log in. Always wants me to log in. Like, come on. Once in a while, let's say, come here and copy the items, save them into a file, and it does just for the backup, just for your security, like once per month or 2 months, you know. I don't think really like they gonna be that big. I don't think they're like that, you know. But for just in case, just come here, copy this, paste them into a text file, and do your thing. So anyway, it comes to this page here, and this is what we are doing. We have we're creating an object of task completion source with string. I think this one is a tuple. Let's check. I think it is a tuple. And I don't know, I kind of like when they're like this, it's the first time for me to see them, and it kind of confused me. So basically it is a tuple. Hmm. Hmm. Let's try to run this just for the sake of it. But I think it's gonna run like as it should, you know. Just so you know, at the moment I'm doing my app here, and then of course on the live stream and in my work when I have the time. Work can be used within a scenes method. Okay, a scenes, is it gonna run? Ah, my days, man. A scenes task. Interesting. What we can do, we can try this. I don't even know if it's gonna work here. That's the thing, guys. Static task. Is it gonna work? code execution successful. So I don't think it did. We need to add the await keyword here. When you have a since always use the await, then there is an error. It can only be used within N and C's function. So let's ask why this doesn't work. Okay, something else. Yeah, it was stupid. I don't even know. No, I still did the same. What is? So what I want to understand, it makes me now, the way I ask it, because ChatGPT is not perfect, it makes my life more difficult because now I need to scroll down, scroll up to see what I wanted to do, you know? It's ridiculous. Although I do understand, I just want to see how it works. Let's see, is it gonna run or no? Error. I think it's the limitation of that website because I'm sure if I were to create a console app with a test, it's gonna show. And I think I'm gonna do. Okay, whatever. I'm done with it. I'm just gonna come here. Alright, let me show you something in case you are new to NetAPI. If you want to create or add a new project, you go here. But I have an already existing project, so you're gonna add existing project. Let's see. So now we have two here. Okay, this goes from another exercise I was trying to finish, but anyways, await completion source. Yeah, of course. My days. I just want to move on, but I can and I can't. These things takes time. Okay, so after you added your project, to change it, hopefully. Oh la la. Where is it? Ah, it was next to it. Okay, and then you press this. Okay, we get errors. Is it gonna run? Status success message. So we wait 2 seconds and then it shows it sets that on the tuple somehow. God damn it. Set result. Completion source. Set result. And then it has to get the result or something. I don't like. So we have delay. Understand that. Made is like, look at this now, we need to use this card. Man, no. Okay. So easy, so difficult. This is still working though. And 1 and 2. Okay. Set result. So anyway, I guess this is the way the completion source here should have a set result, right? It doesn't even go there. Oh, it does go. Yes, so this is the tag completion source has this in the way that we cannot understand, right? There's a value to point to this. Oh, okay. Alright, so I saw what I wanted to see. Okay, did I want you to see anything else? And our collection, this is a tuple. Okay. And then we were on the API here, right or no? Mondays. No, we were here. We were on that config file. Task completion source, and this one is the but I think this one is like it could be like a class as well. So where is class? The tuple is used. So in here could have been an item, could have been object, could have been anything. So basically this takes an object. And then after we initialize, we do stuff with it. So basically that's what it is. Then we have the view model from the API. We initialize with the navigation and that completion source because we do stuff with it. And the input page is we are setting the view model. Let's see how the ChatGPT explain on. Okay, so this is a way to manually control the completion of a task. Means that the task will eventually return a tuple of two strings. This is useful when you want to wait for a result from another part of your program, such as a UI input or an API response. So when we are working with UI input or an API response, we can always consider use this. Okay. It's been created and takes two things as argument: navigation for handling navigation between pages. I'm going to set a task, a result when. Okay. Yeah. Basically, that's what it does, but the bypass completion source to control when the task completes by calling. Wait a second, am I calling this here? No. So this is just an example. All right. Let's go 1 second here. So we have a task completion source. So Mm, okay. Then it says this creates a new UI page to come copy and put. Yeah, this is not exactly creates a new UI page, or is it? Can be no. So maybe in this way we are in. So in this way we can initialize. We can set the context. Okay, that's very cool. So now to view model this one and the API input page view model can communicate with each other. Okay, and once we do that, because this requires the it's the way it is set up. Okay, so we create a new content page and then we are basically popping up. So it's popping up like this. If it loads, that's what it does, the pop-up assist. And just for I set here the background to be transparent and then I set here the width, so that's why this is small. Alright, the next thing is we have a tuple that awaits this. Oh my days. Really? Okay, so this bit becomes a bit. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Does it go? It goes here, yeah. Await completion task, source. When we are pressing, we are setting the result. So basically, I think this is what reads the data from the. And gets the result, tough result. Okay. So yeah, okay, wait and then extract the tuple values. Okay. For me, this is so much better readable than trying to understand this tuple, but I need to learn. I need to learn everything. I don't need anymore to be Because imagine this scenario where, okay, we have now ChatGPT, but it's not about that, it's about me, okay? Because this can be very helpful, so I need to put it into my account. And I'm here just trying to understand the code at the moment, and yeah, first I want to understand and then kind of refactor my project, and I want to see it how it's used, so when I create and do something similar. You know, the thing is that with the task, the most important thing is when we wait and with a since and a wait, if we don't do this, then the next code can execute without taking this consideration, and then, for example, we could be here or, you know, get some error, you know. Actually, just thought something and I want to check. This is a bug on the Windows. No matter on this desktop or in my laptop, I always had this with NetMAUI. I had to um, rerun it, so it's not like, oh, my PC is not good or whatever. We do have the clear, okay. Maybe when I press the import, it's good idea if I can have that I import it or something like this, like to ensure that display info, I think, is a property. No, it's not a. Damn it. Where is the? Okay, I need to go in my debug. Debug something should be. Set the days. I have a debug mode. Debug. Okay. But wait, don't I have like a display output? Okay. So what is it? What is it? What is it? Display output. Data has been imported, and we can have this. Export data. Display output. Data has been exported. Okay. Okay. So probably in everything I need to set that on my days, man. I see. So maybe because I have too good application, too good PC, data has been imported. Okay. Let's try to do one here and and there, boom, and then this data has been exported. Has it? I don't think so. Alright, let's rerun it. Let's see, it's gonna go. No, it's not gonna go with an NB. Why is this happening? I think I know why. So I thought I finished with my app, but apparently I haven't. So we have here 2 items. Okay, so one way to fix this is you get this and you have your IP ready as well, and you reinstate this. So at the moment it shows this one, but if I want to show this one, then I have to copy my ID and my API key on the app for it to show this bit. Yeah, but it's fun, you know, honestly, like, I can fix it later. At the moment, let's just go with the understanding the code and alright, so where were we? That's the question, because I forgot that. Fuck's sake. Yeah, we were here. So when this is completed, then we have the append key and BD. So basically, if we didn't weigh this and we'll go here, it will straight so that is empty and it wouldn't even run. So because we have weighted, we have the AB and the bin ID, AB key and pin ID. So when those are not empty, then we save the grid, save those AB key and B ID. But it kind of bugs me that now is not loading the proper one. So if I import the data, which is this one, maybe when I press the clear, I should also like delete this bit, you know. Yeah, it can be fixed, but anyways, we got that, we did that, we done that, been there, done that, like Indian says, and then where we are, main page view model. Okay, so yeah, this was called from this bit here to initialize documents. We initialize the list, so this is going to run, get the file from the local bit, and we check if the path and the so this bit is run from here. We're getting the path for the sublinks and the cobble and the other list. Okay, then we have a JSON file. Basically it reads all the data. Okay, so wait a second, imported JSON. Okay, so this inputs the data into okay, and then returns the list. Okay, this is gonna be alright, this is gonna be it, guys. Thanks for watching. And sorry we don't do much. Slowly I'm learning here. Or actually, you know what, before I saw the YouTube some stuff with exercise, and I want to try it. let's see if we can do something. I do have 10 minutes more, also I do feel very sleepy. C sharp lead code. Oh god damn it, man. I think this was it. Okay, do some. Okay, it gives a vector. What? This is C++. What the heck? Okay, so it gives us these. Let's see what we can do. Okay, we need to open the Visual Studio again. I think I can do this. I believe I can do this. There is no way I cannot do this. Is it? The thing is, I never run a lead code, so what? I thought I copied the code. I didn't. Interesting. It's not gonna copy. Okay, it's gonna copy. Public into some. Return what? So expects an array. Whatever. I just leave it there for the. Okay, so give an array of integers nums and an integer target. So basically we need to call this. Need to pass an array integers nums is new int, let's say 4, because I think I can do also like this, no? 1 2 3 4. Did I forget to put a comma? It works like this. Okay, so first we specify this and then whatever and this, and after even something in whatever, man, like come on. Return the indices of the two numbers. Indices, what does that even mean? Two 0 and 1. Maybe we add the numbers until we hit the target. Okay, I see what you mean. Oh man. So 2 plus 7, so it's always start from the 0. Okay. So the target is a summary, so it's not even like a target for me. So 1 plus 2 could be the 3, so in here could have the 3. An object reference is required. Why is an object reference required? and it drives me nuts. Yeah, so basically this is void. Maybe this is the problem. No. I hope it doesn't help me in the rest of the code. My days, man. The most simple thing. Alright. I don't even look at that code. Okay, so wait a second. So now we return a 0 and 1. Okay. 3 to 4. Target is 6. 3 plus 2 is 6. So what? It should have 0 and 1. No, 0. Oh, no, I'm stupid. I am stupid. 3 plus 2 is 5. Nice. Yeah, with 1, 10, 2 plus 4. Alright. Okay, so example 3. So we have an input of 3, 3. Target is 6. Alright, I think I start to get. Alright, so let's have no, let's keep this. So what I want here to do is add together the items, have a for loop. Okay, petals, finally, nums, length. So I know I can do this. Let's say I have an output 0 output plus is equal this. So basically what it's gonna do is gonna add 1 plus 2 this. So in the first run we add this and this. Do I have to do the check here though? Probably. If output is equal to target, basically this is what we want to return, right, or no? Return new int. This is so funny. Nums. So I feel like I need to create another array, right? Or no? Int number outputs. Output is on. Nowadays, so here, the next thing I want to do is, so we have this and that. Is this equal? Let's say yes, it is. And then, wow. For now, let's do this. We reach the target at index I. We're gonna have an interpolation over there. Zero. Okay, here. So wait a second. So if this is 1 and 2, then 1 and 2. Let's say so that 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. And it takes to 1, 0, 1, 2. And I want to output the 2 and 3. 3 to 4. Okay, let's do the 3 to 4. 3. What? I forgot to specify the target at 6. What? Okay. I'm getting stuck literally now. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is... oh man. It goes to here. So it checks the 3 plus 2 is 5. And then makes it, if it's not found, then it sets to 0. Maybe. And then 2 plus 4 is 6. If else output is 0, and then we run again. Let's see now. It's still not gonna do it. Wow. Let's try to do a breakpoint just for the heck out of it. F10. Output is 3. Zero plus 1 is plus 3 is 3. Oh. So then it sets to 3. Is 3 equal to 6? No. Then it exits, then increases. Now the 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Interesting. Okay, this is it. I have to go to work, so enjoy my stream. I guess I didn't do practically